super high volatility powering AI data centers around the world. You can sell a put and be super conservative and still make over 100% annualized rate of return. Check out this video. I'm going to walk through it step by step. You don't want to miss out. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss an episode. This channel is all about where I give you great ideas to trade to help you create weekly income. Let's jump right in. All right, we're going to check out Bloom Energy today. It's trading around $270 a share and it was down 6% on Thursday. Remember, when stocks are down, the prices of puts are more expensive, giving us more income for the risk that we're taking. So I'm going to show you the trade exactly in this video. Check it out. We're going to use this really cool app to calculate the rate of return to help us decide which put to sell. So first we're going to select the expiration date. Now I like weekly options because it gives us weekly cash flow and it also tends to tie up our capital for a shorter period of time. So let's look at July 10th, which is next Friday. And we can be as conservative or as aggressive as we want to be. Let's just start with a middle of the road trade. This pulls up middle of the road deltas. Now delta tells us how likely the stock is to drop from where it's trading now to the strike price before the contract expires. And this app is really cool because we can look at, for example, a 22 delta that's paying $860, giving us an annualized rate of return of over 222%. So when I see that, typically it gives me pause and it prompts me to go to a little bit more conservative. So let's try a more conservative trade and choose a strike price that's a little bit further away from where it's trading right now because you can still make a lot of money but take less risk. Listen guys, it's super easy to make money in the market and it's harder not to lose it. So in my view, it's always better to be more conservative and take less risk. So Bloom Energy right now is trading at 271, but we can sell a $200 put and it's super far away from where it's trading. In fact, it would have to drop about 26% in order to require us to buy the shares. And this contract last traded at $330. That means that $330 gets dropped into your brokerage account right away. If you're selling a cash secured put, you have to put up $20,000 for this trade because it's a $200 strike price and each contract represents 100 shares. Now we'll see in the app that the earnings are coming up on July 30th. But if we wanted to check how it's behaved over the last 5 years post earnings, we can check out the earnings edge. And we can type Bloom Energy here into the ticker field and analyze the stock. Now this is a really cool module in the app because it shows you how a ticker behaved over the last 5 years after the earnings date, and we can see a few things from here. First of all, 13 times the stock went up and only 7 times the stock went down, giving us a little bit of an edge. Additionally, the implied move is 32%. So it is expected to have a lot of volatility, but historically it's only had about a 10% move, meaning that the options prices are higher right now compared to how it's previously behaved. Now, as I mentioned, you need about $20,000 to trade this as a cash secured put, but you can also use margin. The easiest way to see how much margin is required, because it's different from one ticker to another and one broker dealer to another, is that you just analyze the trade. So I'm just going to do a few clicks here and we can see on the Schwab Thinkorswim platform that if we were to sell a $200 put and use margin, instead of needing to have the whole $20,000 available, we can actually make this trade for a little less than $5,000, as we can see here. Now, I'm not suggesting that you use margin, but what I am saying is that you can use margin. Margin has its own risks, and it can amplify your returns, and it can amplify your losses as well. So you want to check out some of my other videos on margin, or you want to get a mentor to make sure that you don't blow up your account. So do you guys see how easy it can be? Just learn the 2 basic strategies, selling a put, selling a covered call, and then spend 15 minutes a day putting your trades in and checking them out, and the whole rest of the day doing what you want to do. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Happy trading.